Hi guys, I'm Iskra and today I'm making desserts. Yes, desserts with S, because this is my second one for the day. And not because I'm having guests or a party or something, but because we have a plum tree and we have a lot of plums. So I'm making a very simple and easy plum cake. The products I'm going to use: plums of course, flour, baking soda, eggs, sugar, sunflower oil and rum. Thanks for watching guys, I hope I see you again. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos. Bye!